Hi there. My name is Luke, and today I'm going to be talking about the topic of food quality. Did you know that nearly 70% of all US produce is contaminated with pesticides? I believe there is a problem with food quality that most people consume, with the food that most people consume, specifically fresh produce. The the part of the evidence that I'm going to show you here today is that chemical agriculture is destroying our food. Chemical agriculture is destroying our environment. Chemical agriculture is polluting the lakes as well as causing for soil depletion. Soil depletion is when the soil is infertile, meaning that the soil can no longer be used to grow food. Chemical agriculture is cutting off the very thing that feeds us, the soil. Oh, also, another thing, air pollution. Did you know that taking into the account of the air pollution coming from the transportation of this food that this fresh produce is insane. This it's it can The distance that these foods are being transported are hundreds and thousands of miles across the country, from the farm to the store, and then eventually leading to your table. When you buy produce from the grocery store, when I buy produce from the grocery store, we are all funding these chemical agricultures, which which uh, which destroys the environment. Due to COVID, I have been doing research of agricultural systems as well as systems that are found to work, that are that are better and healthier and are cheaper in price to the fresh produce at the store. The solution that I have found is urban agriculture. Urban agriculture is not a market, it's not a trend, it's not even an industry. It's a movement. It's a movement about people wanting to create a more sustainable future, bringing together a community that is united by passion for how the foods was grown and where it was created and came from. Unlike many social problems, food security is something we all play a part in. The question isn't whether or not you can make an impact. The question is, how will you make your impact, and how will we make our impact? Maybe you will choose the choice of to consume locally grown food and source locally grown food. Or maybe you'll take a more hands-on approach and become an urban farmer, which I have taken on that role, and I have been increasing my knowledge to become an urban farmer throughout my yard, and it's it's a very informative experience, and I've been having a lot of fun. Like, if you've ever grown your own tomato and you walk out, you water your plant every single day, and every single day you just see that thing from this to that, and then eventually it goes from green to orange all the way to red. And you watch that, and it's just, and then that one day that comes, you walk out there and you're like, oh, it's so ready. I'm gonna pick it. It's fresh, it's red. You pick it right off the plant and you take a bite. That bite is like nothing you've ever experienced before. It tastes delicious. Absolutely delicious. Anyways, getting back to the speech. Sorry, I went on a little rant. And then urban farmers are just amazing, and what an adventure it is, a lot of fun. To visualize some of these results that other people have experienced, we can look at the fact that urban agriculture is a sustainable solution. Entire cities could be fed by these small scale farmers, these small scale sustainable farms. Any vacant space can be utilized. These systems allow people to grow better food at a lower cost in a way that's better for the environment. The two of the main takeaways that I would like for you to do are takeaways of the concepts that I would like you to have are: existing food systems are broken and outdated. And these chemical or chemical agricultural businesses, big agricultural businesses, are destroying our food and our environment. So, so the solution that I have put up today is urban agriculture. Better food at a lower cost that's better for the environment. Another thing I wanted you to do is ask 3 people this very question. Where does your food come from? And think about their answer and what we can do to be a part of a healthier urban agricultural system. Now, let's get back to our roots. Thank you and have a good day.